Assalamu alaikum to all my friends and my dear viewers. Today in this video we'll learn about some differences between cancer and tumor. Okay, so many people have concept that cancer and tumor are same thing, but today in this video we'll remove the misconception and we'll discuss the some major differences between the cancer and tumor, and actually we shall describe what is cancer and actually what is tumor. So let's move on. Okay, so what is the main difference between a tumor and cancer? Let's think about it. Okay, we know commonly we know that cancer and tumors are similar thing, but there are you can say there are some differences, or one major difference existed between cancer and tumor. If we can understand that difference, so we'll easily differentiate, or you can say this misconception will be removed from our mind. Okay, so cancer is a process, or you can say it's a condition in which our normal cells of the body are going to divide uncontrollably, because due to the problem in some dividing process, normal mitosis process, okay, which is a cell division. The cancer cells are going to divide uncontrollably. We cannot control the our body cannot control the division of cancer cells. Okay, so due to this division, an abnormal growth will form in solid tissues. Okay, this abnormal growth is called as tumor. Cancer is a process by which this abnormal growth is produced. Abnormal growth contains, of course, cells, abnormal cells. These abnormal cells will seize the nutrition. Okay, so a tumor is when this uncontrolled growth occurs in solid tissues, like some organs like liver, brain, okay, you can say heart. These are our organs. Muscles, okay, tumor may form in muscles or bones. Tumors may spread to surrounding tissues through the blood and lymph system. Okay, so the abnormal cells, you can say abnormal cells will be distributed, will travel through all parts of the body with the help of a blood. Okay, so cancer is a process by which this uncontrolled division start, and due to this uncontrolled division, a lump is formed, abnormal mass is formed. Okay, so this is these are some normal cells. Okay, and due to this abnormal cell division, a lump is formed. You can say this is a tumor. So tumor is this mass, and the process which produce this tumor is the cancer. Understood? It's very easy. Now, as this image, this is a skin surface. Okay, I'm giving you the example of some tumors, or some tumors which are formed under the skin. And tumors always form by a process called cancer. Okay, this is the difference. So gradually it enlarged, okay, and gradually it increases in size, okay, and it invade other healthy tissues as well. So with by the passage of time, it grows and grows, and it seizes all the nutrition from the normal cell, and it's quite lethargic. It's quite lethal for us. Okay, moving on. Now, malignant tumor and benign tumor. There are two main types of tumors: malignant and benign tumor. Okay, tumor always form as a result of cancer. Tumor is a mass, tumor is a lump or a mass of abnormal cell. So benign is that tumor. It is also called as non-cancerous, okay, because it will not spread in your body. Non-cancer means cancer if the tumor is cancerous. Malignant if the growth formed as a result of cancer. If the cells are continuously metastasized into your body parts, so this is the benign tumor. Okay, it will not, you can say, spread. It will not invade other tissue. Okay, we can remove it with the help of surgery or some other process. But malignant tumor are cancerous tumors. Why it is called cancer? Because actually the word cancer is derived from a Greek word crab. Okay, so because once the cancer occur, if the malignant type of cancer occur, malignant tumor occurs, so it will invade and it will go to the neighboring tissues as well with the help of blood, and this process is called as metastasis. So metastasis is simply the spreading of cancer cells. Okay. Now a question arises in our mind that are blood cancer solid tumors, or do we call the blood cancer as tumor? Because we have discussed that tumors are solid masses of abnormal tissue produced by cancer, produced with the help of cancer. Okay. So blood cancer is not tumor because we know that tumor always form in solid tissues. Tumor always form in solid tissues. But if we are going to talk about the blood cancer, so blood cancer occurs in blood, occurs in bone marrow, which is a collection of cell. Okay, blood is liquid, we know it is not a solid organ, it is connective tissue. So leukemia is a type of blood cancer. It is a white blood cell cancer. We know that white blood cell will not a solid mass in your body. They remain in the blood. Okay, lymphoma is the cancer of the lymphatic cells, lymphocytes, you can say. It is also a type of white blood cell. And myeloma is the blood cancer which occurs in the bone marrow. Bone marrow, in the stem cells of bone marrow, in the plasma cells of bone marrow. Okay. So if you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get all the instant notification from my channel. Thank you.